Welcome back to Sweetola Kitchen. Here I want to unbox my air fryer, my 7 liter Kenwood air fryer. Yeah, I don't know why I don't have this thing in my kitchen. I still don't know the reason. But what happened is when I got to the market recently and the rate at which cooking oil is very expensive. So I now said, why? Why should I be buying this thing when I have alternative? So I went for this. And it's beautiful. Look at it. Take a look at it. Mmm. It's glass. Mmm. See. Wow. This is beautiful. So this will save me from buying an expensive cooking oil. And I'll be giving you updates on what I use this air fryer for. I'm so happy to have this. I'm so happy. And I see you next time. Bye bye.